Hello everyone. Thank you for being here. My name is Chakra and together with my team, we would like to introduce our project Harvest Camp. And this is my team to mobile development, to cloud computing, and three machine learning. The background of Harvest Camp. Plants play a vital role on Earth but face significant threat from disease, leading to annual agricultural production losses of 20 up to 40%, while machine learning technology promises faster and more accurate disease detection. There are hurdles in developing and applying the solution. This project aims to assist farmer and agricultural professional in overcoming this challenge. The reason of harvest camp. The first is global impact of plant disease. The second is limitation of traditional methods. The third, need for technological solution. And fourth is innovation through technology. And goal statement. Our project goal is to create an Android app that uses machine learning to identify plant disease from leaf image. The app will provide disease detail and care suggestion and allow users to view their history offline. This tool aims to help maintain plant health and improve harvest. And we have a similar app too. The app is PlantX. PlantX is an application designed to help gardener identify plant disease and pests. User can take photo of affected plant and the app uses advanced algorithm to diagnose issue and provide treatment suggestion. Additionally, the app offers a database of plant and pets gardening tips and a community feature for sharing gardening experience and advice. The feature different of our application is the first is community, second is can check today temperature, the third fertilizer calculator, the fourth the app will reject any non-plant input.
So this is the Harvest Scan user interface, and then Harvest Scan features, including scanning plant leaf, add plant, and set reminder. This is the tools that we are using. The first is TensorFlow, Figma, Kotlin, Firebase, App Engine, and Google Colab.
Okay, now let's go to the machine learning section. This dataset we're using in the machine learning is from Kaggle, consists of about 87,000 RGB image of healthy and diseased crop leaves, which is categorized into 38 different classes. The machine learning workflow is divided into four phases. First, preparing the dataset, and then training the model, and then continue to fine tune and tune the model, and the last is deployment the model.
Okay, for the preparing dataset part, first we convert the dataset into TF records format because it's more efficient for model training with the codes in the left side. And then there is a code for loading the dataset for training the model in the right side. We move on to the training model part. We utilize the MobileNet V2 pre-trained model for image classification with several additional layers to adjust to the specific number of classes in the dataset used.
Okay, at the fine-tune model stage, the aim is to train the model by closely monitoring validation performance, as well as adjusting the learning rate and stopping training if there is no improvement in performance within a few epochs. This stage obtains accuracy above 90%. The code implementation can be seen from the following image. Okay, the deployment stage aims to save the trained model, reload it, convert it to lighter format, such as TensorFlow Lite, and save the conversion result into a new file. The code implementation can be seen from the following image.
This is the cloud computing section. In the cloud computing section, there are 4 steps. The first step is authentication setup using Firebase. In this step, we are using Firebase mechanism to authenticate the app. The second is building API. In this second, we build our API using Node.js and Express.js as a framework. The third is deploying service. In this step, we are deploy our API into App Engine on Google Cloud Platform. And the last step is testing. Okay, this is the picture of Firebase authentication. This is the statistic who use the application, and this is the picture of statistic our API on App Engine.
Okay, for the mobile development section, for mobile development workflow, included 4 key stages, such as research, UI design, development, and testing. Our first step was research. We conduct extensive research to understand user needs, the latest technologies, and best practice in mobile apps. Next, we move on into UI design. We use Figma to create a user-friendly and visually appealing interface. Once the UI design was finalized, we began the development phase. We implemented the designs into code using Android Studio IDE with Kotlin as our primary programming language. We imported essential dependencies to enhance the app's functionality, such as Room Database, Retrofit, and TensorFlow Lite. After development, we tested the app. This included user testing, where we gathered feedback from real users to identify any usability issues and made necessary adjustments. Okay, for the repository documentation, you can visit our GitHub organization at github.com/harvestscan. There are 3 repositories there: repository for machine learning, cloud computing, and mobile development. You can also clone our GitHub repository and download the app by following the instruction on the README file.
And this is our target market for HarvestScan app. We aim to individual age from 25 to 60 involved in agricultural. Our user include farmers, gardeners, and agricultural professionals focused on managing farms, researching, and learning about new technologies. And this is our timeline to release the product from July until December in 2024. Thank you for your attention, and don't forget to scan your plans to save your plans.